beautiful people, welcome back to another video. I am so excited. I'm going to be taking you guys on what I'm calling an ideal summer evening, because I truly don't think that the perfect summer evening exists, that there's just like so many multiple various versions of an ideal summer evening, and this is going to be one of mine. I have planned like literally just like a super ideal summer evening. I'm so excited. We're going to start off. I have been dying to try this iced strawberry matcha latte from Matcha Tea. I think I've had at least one person tell me every single day this week how good it is, and so your girl has been dying to try it. That's what we're starting off with doing. I've slammed my laptop shut until tomorrow. Work is done, and Pluto needs to be taken on a walk, so we're gonna go grab that iced matcha, go for a walk, and I think I'm gonna start off this evening by reading in the park. It's currently 4:30 p.m. I'm cooking dinner in tonight. Alan has also finished work. He's actually gone off to Muay Thai, so he'll meet up with me later this evening. But yeah, let's get this vloggy started. Also, your girl is back. I got my new Canon G7X, which is what I'm filming on today. If you haven't been around for a while, basically my G7X Mark II died on our honeymoon, and then I've been using a Sony, and I didn't love the Sony. It just didn't feel like me, and I'm so used to the Canon G7X that I finally upgraded. We have a Mark III Canon G7X. That's what we're using to vlog today. But I'm so excited to take you guys on this vloggy. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get this ideal evening started. What do you think, Mr. Pluto? Should we go for a walk? Oh yeah. Should we go outside? You want to go for a walk? Let's go, babies. The house is a little bit of a disaster because we just finished moving all of Alan's things in, so we're gonna ignore the crap that's everywhere because we just haven't organized it yet. But I thought we'd do a really quick little outfit of the day because I'm feeling this. It's cute, but it's also giving like comfy dad vibes. DL 1961 oversized boyfriend shorts. Top is Aritzia. I've got some Jenny Bird and then the Vitality jewelry going on. I took off some of my rings because I just can't walk Pluto with a million rings on my fingers, but let's head out. Iced strawberry matcha secured. Honestly, really good price for how big this is, and I saw people getting it with boba, and I'm kind of regretting not doing that. I definitely will be going back to do that again, but I thought we'd do a little first sip taste test because I've never tried Matcha Tea's strawberry iced matcha, so let's go for it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I get the hype. That's so good. So good. Wow, there's a lot of cars driving by. Easily the best iced strawberry matcha that I've had. So good. I got it 50% sweet, and honestly that's perfect, but we're heading to the park to go read. Pluto's being a very good walker. Yes, you are. It's a beautiful evening. Currently reading Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez. I wasn't loving the first like 100 pages in, but now I'm like over 200 pages and it's getting really good, and I'm like speeding through the last little bit. So probably gonna sit out here, read for maybe like half an hour. We'll see how long Pluto lasts sniffing to give me. from our little walk slash reading slash matcha little early afternoon. Pluto gave me about 20 minutes before he started digging, and I was like, okay, we can't do this, we need to leave. So we came back home, fed Pluto. I think I'm gonna throw on a comfier sweater to cook dinner in, just because like I've been in this shirt all day, and I am a homebody, comfy, wumpy, bumpy girl to my core. So I think I'm gonna put on either like a big oversized shirt or a big oversized sweater, just something to get comfy and cozy in, because I do fear I will be here for the rest of the night. Actually, I don't fear that. I just am gonna be here for the rest of the night. But I did a Whole Foods run earlier today because I wanted to like make a good comfort meal, but also like I'm slowly getting back into cooking, so just something that's a little bit more fun and interesting for dinner tonight. While I was at Whole Foods, I always have to pick up like a fun protein. I start there and then kind of build the meal off of that. And I got this Parmesan pistachio crusted cod. I saw pistachio and I was like, oh, that's intriguing, and also Parmesan. So I'm trying to debate if I want to pan fry it or oven bake it. I think I'm leaning towards pan fry, but I'm also making a sun-dried tomato cream pasta. I also picked up this beautiful dark organic green leafy kale. I don't know if I'm gonna make like a salad with that or if I'm gonna put that in the sauce. It's a whole TBD situation, but that's kind of what is on the menu for dinner tonight. I'm really excited. I just like, Whole Foods runs make my heart happy, as like I'm slowly getting back into wellness, and just like I feel like I placed my identity on being a wellnessy girl student for so long that when I graduated, I also fell out of love with wellness and like that whole identity, and I'm slowly trying to find it again and feeling more myself and just like what Vanessa looks like and who Vanessa is. And Vanessa does still love wellness, and so I'm trying to get back into that and just realigning myself and what that looks like for me now being 24 versus when I was like 21, because I feel like there, as much as there isn't that many years in between, it does feel so different. Yeah, that's what's on the menu tonight. Let's get changed, let's get cozy, and let's get cooking. So I came home with this kale today, and Alan called it alien kale, and I kind of don't disagree with him just because it's like bubbly and kind of funky looking, but it's almost like a mix between like a collard green and a kale. And I decided I'm not going to put any in the pasta, and I'm just going to make the world's easiest kale salad, which is lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, and kale, and it's so good. Pluto thinks he's going to get some kale because I normally feed him either like cucumbers or some broccoli at this time of night, and so he'll just like sit by my feet while I'm cooking, expecting to get a little bit of something, which he can eat kale. I just don't think that he actually will. He doesn't know what he's begging for right now. Now, the question, at least almost every other night, is, do I want wine or do I want kombucha? And I think tonight is a kombucha night, so let's do that. I mean, I think I have this watermelon mint one right now. Let's do that. So I recently have been getting into Love Island, and that is what I've been watching in the evenings. It's taken me a while, and I'm like slowly getting into it. I'm not a big reality TV gal. That is what I typically have been watching in the evenings, but it's a beautiful night, so we're gonna go sit out on the balcony and eat dinner out there. Finished dinner, cleaned up from dinner, took Pluto on his little evening bathroom break walk. We're gonna take off this makeup and do a little bit of skincare. I don't have a ton of makeup on today, which is nice, but just do a quick little micellar water, and then either a face mask or eye masks. I feel like my under eyes recently have just been like bag and heavy, so might do that, or I might just save the eye masks for in the morning and do like a full hydration face mask. That could be a vibe. I think my late afternoon walk with Pluto really tired him out because he has been so sleepy this evening. He came and sat out on the balcony with me while I ate dinner and like just slept out there, and then I came back inside and he's just been like sleeping by the carpet, and he's just a little sleepy dude. Give this little pup a little bit of outdoor time and he is just happy to sleep in the condo, which makes me happy, which is also why I wanted to take him out this evening when I went out, because I feel like he's just inside so much during the week that like if I can give him a little bit more time outside, especially because it's the summer, then I will. I always think that these look so scary, like worse than like the like put on your face and like peel off or wash off ones. These just like look a little traumatizing, but it is time to get back to my book. I just made myself a cup of cinnamon tea because I'm currently all out of ginger. Otherwise, that is my usual preference for the evenings. Whoa, the exposure is going crazy. Getting used to this new camera. A little cinnamon tea in what is probably my absolute favorite mug. It just says, shh, I'm reading. It's from Indigo. I think I got it for Christmas this year. I can't remember if it was this year or last year, but I got it for Christmas. At one point in time, my mom gave it to me. It's my favorite mug. Big whiny baby I have here. Go then. Okay, I'm gonna read, drink my tea, getting back into Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez. Like I was saying when we were in the park, I was not really into it for the first like 100 pages and then started to get into it a little bit later. I did kind of read the, I think it's Part of Your World trilogy, I guess technically, out of order. I read Just for the Summer first. I read that last year. I'm kind of seeing where it plays in a little bit because obviously with Neil being in that book and then Neil's obviously in this book, if you have read the books, if you haven't read any of them, you'll have no clue who Neil is or what I'm talking about, but it's fine. I do recommend. I love Abby Jimenez. I'm not liking this story as much as Just for the Summer, which I think was Justin and Emma, if I'm remembering correctly. This is Alexis and Daniel. It's cute and I'm enjoying it. Like I said, so far I'm like just past 200 pages in and it's getting better every few pages that I read more. So Your girl's gonna read. I may or may not finish this book tonight. I'm at like 210, so I think I have like 130 pages left-ish, which I depends. I think I'm gonna read for the next hour. No, I'm not gonna read 130 pages in an hour. But I am gonna read, and we'll see how much I can read in an hour. I am interrupting my little reading session to say Alan and I are heading out to go end off our night with ice cream. It has been so hot this week and we've been pretty good. So we have a few favorite like gelato ice cream places that are like kind of somewhat in the area, but we're gonna go for a little walk and go get some ice cream because what kind of summer evening is it if you don't get ice cream? Okay, I think that every Friday through Sunday evening requires a little bit of gelato, a little bit of ice cream, a little bit of sweet treat. I am a sweet treat gal to my core, so that's how we're ending off the evening. Also, yes, this is the giant line that we waited for just to get amazing gelato. It is worth it every single time. So good. All right, you guys, we just got back home from grabbing our gelato and ending off our evening there. So I'm gonna end off the vlog, but I almost forgot. We are supposed to be doing a giveaway. So if you made it this far, the rules for the giveaway are gonna be down in the description box below of how to enter. It's a big combination of skincare, makeup, hair care, a whole bunch of like product goodies, and there'll be a few prize packages, so there'll be a few winners. But yeah, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you all so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!